Hello and welcome to Nedge Hill. Today we're at this beautiful 4-bedroom cottage. It's got loads of lovely features and a great big garden. Let's check out what's inside. So we're set down and back from the road. We've got loads of outside space here, 4 bedrooms and lots of those lovely little features that you expect in a cottage like this. But my favourite part is this really sociable area of this living area through to the kitchen and dining room, just through there. So if you like the look of this fantastic property, and indeed this outside seating area here, then please get in touch with me on the details that follow to book your exclusive viewing. I'm Mark Manning from The Property Experts, and until next time, bye bye.